So we had a quick stop at Pinaton SA Bebe located in Jagna Bahal. The place is so vibrant and comfy and you can feel the sea breeze. The place serves Pitinta Sikwate, Fido Maya, Red and other kakanin at a very affordable price. This is a must-visit place if you want to relax and feel the sea breeze plus. The sea view right in front of the area is so nice. This is a must-try.